Have you ever dealt with a guy who has sweaty balls?
Yeah.
We need to talk about your balls.
Let's see what we're working with here. Hey, it's the Performance Package 4.0 from Manscaped.
The Performance Package, all of it is still in this beautiful bag, and the Lawnmower 4.0 is the one that we have to start off with.
Cordless, waterproof, and is built with advanced skin-safe technology. Oh my god, I trust that.
One of my favorite products in the line is the Crop Preserver Anti-Chafing Ball Deodorant.
For someone that works out on a daily basis, these ones are a lifesaver.
Balls smell like that?
Ah, but they should.
Oh, dude, that smells heavy.
Did you trim a buddy's ball sack?
If you got a Manscaped trimmer.
We'll even throw in a Weed Whacker nose trimmer.
Weed Whacker, I really like you, pal. Do get the Performance Package 4.0, you get given this lovely travel bag and a pair of boxers. Hey, everyone needs an extra pair of boxers.
Hey, that's okay.
So what are you waiting for, lads?
Support your balls and your body. Make sure you smell good. Do it.
It's been a pleasure talking about your nuts.
Appreciate you talking about nuts.
Thank you.
Go to manscaped.com today and get free shipping on all orders.